What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 11:32 p.m. on Monday the 21st of August. And yeah, I'm going to start with DXY, move our way to GBP, and then take a look at Euro. Not much happened today. The charts are still an ugly mess. But here's today's trading. You can see that we traded down, took out Friday's low, took out that south side liquidity, and then closed above it. And I said I'm still waiting to see if we're either going to break this low or push higher above this mean threshold. To me, it is looking like we're likely to draw higher. So now I have my eyes set on Friday's high. So I want to see if we can trade through that. And you'll see there's a little volume imbalance right here. It's on the daily, but what I've marked out is actually from the 4 hour, I believe. Yep. So here there's a volume imbalance, and I want to see if price wants to draw to that. I can imagine that's acting as a like a magnet right now. So I want to see if price wants to draw higher into that. Although we took out this buy side liquidity rest in here all the way from June. All the way from June. Although we tapped it, I'm not convinced that that's all it's going to do. So that's why I'm anticipating some kind of run up above these highs into that volume imbalance, and then I'd want to see what happens, whether we either reverse or price wants to find some kind of support and then continue and run up into these highs here. So yeah, still a bit of a waiting game, but overall I am now anticipating price to want to trade higher, take out these highs and have a look at this volume imbalance. Also, you'll see that we took out this swing low. So you can see we've got a high, low, higher, high, and then we took out this short-term low. This is quite bullish in nature, so to speak. So yeah, that's pretty much everything on dollar. Again, it's not the best environments. I don't like this price action at all. I'm not enjoying it. But you can see how we took out this short-term low, traded into these rejection blocks here. Price then broke higher. We had a break in market structure here. And then we came back down into the fair value gap. I believe there's a breaker there as well. Yep. So this is actually a breaker from here to here. I'll mark it out with a box actually. So this candle here is our breaker, and you can see how we're just gyrating in that. So I just want to see if price wants to leave this range, in which case I'd then anticipate all these relative equal highs. So this high specifically get taken and then forced to run into this high and potentially reach up for this buy side, this volume imbalance. So yeah, nothing much on dollar. Let's take a look at GBP. GBP is probably one of the most ugliest charts I've seen. Yeah, you can even look at that open. Closed here and then we opened down here, even though I don't think that's what happened, but anyway. So we took out this south side on GBP. We do have a swing high that was created on Thursday. I do have my eyes on it. I'm wondering if price does want to tap into that, but all honesty, when it comes to GBP, I'm not going to say much because I genuinely just don't know what to expect with it. What I'm doing here is I'm going to mark out the mean threshold, 28804. So I'm just going to mark out the mean threshold of that, see if price wants to tap that. But other than, because the only reason I'd expect price to want to tap into this is because there's a swing high here that was created on Thursday, so it might want to grab those stops and then turn away and move lower. But honestly, GBP just isn't the one. There is a fair value gap up here, but considering I am expecting higher dollar, that means I should be looking for sell side targets on pound. So if anything, I'd want to see it start to draw back into this range. Yeah, see what we can reach for. But pound, no, not for me. Here is a euro. I was looking at euro today live. You can see we traded higher, took out buy stops here. So we took out Friday's high. That's nice to see. We didn't quite take out Thursday's high, Whether we want to do that tomorrow before we move lower, that's a possibility. There is an order block here, so it's possible price might want to dip into that, taking out buy stops here and here before moving lower. But overall, again, as ICT's pointed out, and as I have also pointed out, my general draw on euro would be to see price want to move down here. So when I'm seeing price expanding higher at the beginning of the week, this is a classic layout, as in I'd expect manipulation, which would be us moving higher, and then I'd like to see an expansion around Tuesday, Wednesday or Thursday lower, and that would prime us for us to run into the south side liquidity resting here. south side like so. But again, that's why I'm anticipating price might want to draw higher into this wick, because remember, wicks are ranges too, so we should treat them alike and see it. So we should treat them like ranges, because they're just like fair value, they're gaps as well. So there's no reason price shouldn't want to draw higher, maybe take out this high and this high into this range. Yeah, that's pretty much everything on euro. But again, ugly price action, so I don't really want to say too much. These are not ideal conditions at all. But overall, any premium that I see euro offering, I'd want to be looking for shorts, because overall I'm expecting this low created on Friday or 18th of August to get swept this week. So yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if euro wants to take out Monday's high, this high as well, and then start to reverse. But we'll have to see. Very ugly indeed. But yeah, that's everything, guys. I know this has been a quick one, but honestly, the charts aren't really giving me much to work with right now. I am going to do some back testing, so stay tuned for that. But overall, yeah, let's see if dollar does want to maybe take out some sell stops and then start to move its way and run into this 4-hour volume imbalance. Oh wow, it's actually a liquidity void since there's no trading there. But yeah, there's really not much more that I want to say. The reason I expect dollar to move lower one more time is because the low of the week tends to be made on a Tuesday. So I'd anticipate dollar may want to take out this low. And remember, this line and this line are both order blocks. So this is the low of the order. I'll show you. This is the low of the weekly order block. This is the high of the weekly order block. So I wouldn't be surprised if dollar wants to come back down, touch the low of the order block before moving higher. So I can allow for that, is basically what I'm saying. But yeah, that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to join Discord. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.